Very beautiful, very beautiful. These are mushrooms and their way of reproducing is like, you see, there's some dust coming off. Yeah. So that dust is actually like sperm.
Sperm?
Yeah. That's how they reproduce. They have like sprouts. And this is like the end part, and this is like the reproductive organ wherein it waits.
She's just a mushroom.
I'm sorry.
Come on, Luca, you can do it.
You take pictures and then you send me.
Okay, apparently I made it. This is the view that we are having. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I feel it again.
You feel what?
You're throwing rocks or something.
Which rocks?
Which rocks?
How? Agora só vou-vos mostrar um bocadinho mais da trilha, do caminho que nós estamos a levar, que é para vocês terem noção. So I'm just gonna show a bit like the trail, so you guys can have a bit like of a notion of what we're doing.